Thanks for stopping by today, guys. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your ADA from Daedalus into Yoroi, and then the easiest way to go about that, and also how to set up your Yoroi wallet if you don't have a Daedalus wallet in general. But real quick, I'm going to do two YouTube shill things before we hop right into this, and I want to be quick about this. If you guys could like and subscribe to my channel, I'd really appreciate it. YouTube doesn't promote videos unless they're above 1,000 subscribers because you can't monetize any videos. And that also leads me into my second point. I have my Daedalus wallet in my description below. Even just one ADA, I would really appreciate that. It would just say thank you for watching the video, you know what I mean? Because it really does mean a lot. But just to hop right into it, the first thing you want to go to is YoroiWallet.com. And I'm going to have that, it's going to be the first thing in my description below. And then once you're there, you're just going to click download Chrome extension. And then I don't know if you've ever downloaded a Chrome extension before, but they're pretty nice. They just pop up in the little top right-hand corner right here. But once you're here, you just want to look over it for a second. You just want to look offered by, make sure it's that, and then make sure it's got good reviews. Because you never know. I don't know how the Chrome Web Store, I don't know how they operate it. I don't know if they just pick out people and kick them off the site if it's bad. So just make sure you're downloading what you need to download. After you add it, you're going to want to click this right over here, and then it's going to ask you to select your language. Select your language. It's going to be English, and then, or whatever language you speak or whatever you'd prefer. And then after you do that, you're going to have to accept the terms of service. And then once you're on the add wallet phase, if you want to create a new wallet, it's going to be pretty similar to creating a Daedalus wallet, or if you haven't done that, just do that right there. But if you want to switch from Daedalus to Yoroi because you don't want to download the entire blockchain because you don't have enough space or your computer's having issues, that's the main reason to use the Yoroi wallet, because Yoroi is being made by Emergo in collaboration with IOHK, and it's just a lighter client. You can use it on the browser, which I think is pretty convenient. But once you click this right here, so you can see the little Daedalus symbol to the Yoroi symbol. So before you can transfer any funds, you must create a Yoroi wallet and back it up. Upon completion, you'll receive a 15-word recovery phrase, and this can be used to restore your Yoroi wallet at any time. So you have to create a wallet first, so just make it. I'm just going to call it a YouTube wallet and spell it wrong, like classic. So then you have to make a wallet password on here, but you don't on Daedalus. So just make it something that you can remember, because you need this to spend on the wallet. So then once you have that, and I would write this down, maybe separate from your seed sheet, depends on how nervous you are about someone stealing your stuff. So then make sure no one looks at this, because this key is your recovery phrase. If someone has this key, they have total access over your wallet and they can steal all your funds. This is about really the only thing that you have to hide. So then once you get this, like I said, you want to write it down as Yoroi says. And then once you have this written down, you just want to click, yeah, I've written it down, and it should ask you to do it again, as it does here. So then just retype it in, and then you guys can go ahead and steal this wallet with 0 ADA in it. It is my gift to you. So let me type this in real quick, and we can jump right into it. I should read 2 of them at a time so it'll go faster. Town heavy people soup. Okay, so I understand that my secret keys are held on a server and not, or on this device only and not the server. This isn't true right now. That's just for more when decentralization comes soon. So you understand that if this is moved, so just make sure you guys read that, especially if this is your this is the wallet you're going to use and you have never done this before, you know. So then this is your Yoroi wallet, and then after you do that, you're going to want to go back. So then obviously you have your transactions, send and receive. So then you're going to go back and click this little button up here, and then click transfer all funds from a Daedalus wallet. And then we're going to go ahead and use the master key, and then, or no, not the master key. We're going to use the original one. So this right here, you're just going to want to enter your recovery phrase. So then I'm going to go ahead and do that for the dummy wallet that I did earlier. And it's nice that they have this pop up so you can just shuffle through the list of phrases. This is definitely a lot better than some of the other recovery phrases that I've seen with other cryptocurrencies. abandon, hold 20, body, and typical. So we should be good to go. It's saying it's incorrect, but let me recheck it real quick. Hunt left device, smooth, abandon, hold 20, body, typical. So my Daedalus wallet isn't currently on the blockchain, so that's the issue with this, and there is no funds on it, so it's not going to recognize the recovery phrase. But this is, if you're using your original Daedalus wallet, you just click next, then you click confirm, and it'll work out perfect for you. And then after that, all of the ADA in your Daedalus wallet will be in your Yoroi wallet that you just made, so whatever that's called, and then you'll see it pop up in the transactions. And it should happen pretty quick, within probably 30 seconds to 2 minutes. But yeah, that's all today, guys. If you appreciate this video, just leave a like I said earlier. And then also, there'll be a video right here, and that video is just another explanation of something in the Cardano community. So I appreciate you stopping by today, and if you have any questions, just feel free to comment down below, and I'll get to all of them. Have a good day.